go to WordPress admin dashboard, click on the Add New button, under All Pages, from left menu, go Welcome to Nityam Tech. Go to blog directory. Type column in search box to find the block pattern. Select 3 column. Now click on first column, search images or select. You can upload image or adding by image URL. Here I am gonna add the image URL. Find the image and right click on the image, select copy image address. And paste here. Then press enter or add caption for the icon. Similarly, we will do both of these. Feature boxes will help your site to user engagement, site traffic, best user experience. They can easily navigate what they're searching. A request to you, please subscribe or like Nityam Tech videos. Thank you, please do subscribe. Click on the list view options from top, select column, then click 3 dot, select duplicate. Let's see how it's visible on mobile device. It's showing vertical, we need horizontal. Select block, disable the stack on mobile button from right sidebar. Let's see how it's view on desktop or mobile device. Please subscribe or like Nityam Tech.